morning everyone. Today we will start our same chapter, that is the central tendency. And in the central tendency there are two parts. Already we had seen. First is the central tendency part 1, mean, and second central tendency part 2, it is called the median and mode. Now before that we will start today's lecture. Just recap of the previous lecture. Previously we had seen that there are the three types of we can say series are there: individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Among these series we were just started the individual series. Among the individual series or among the discrete series and continuous series, every three series having the three method of the calculation of arithmetic mean. First is the direct method, second is the shortcut method, and third is the step deviation method. Previously we had seen the first method with the individual series is direct method. We already seen the one example of this method. Now today we will start same question, right? Same question whatever we had done in the previous lecture. Same sum we will do with the another method. This is called the shortcut method. And listen students very carefully. When we are talking about the same sum, we are talking about the same questions. If we are doing in the with the help of the different method, we can say first is a direct method, second is a shortcut method, and third is a step deviation method. All three methods answer having the same answer. You got the each method. ठीक है, हमने लास्ट जो सम देखा उसी सम को अब हम शॉर्टकट से देखेंगे. आंसर रिमेन सेम फॉर द x1. सो व्हाट इज द डेटा ऑफ द देयर आर द just there are the how many students marks given to you? 10 students marks I think so given to you. Yes, we can just serial number. Now the another questions. This is the question number 2 with the help of the which data we can say with the help of the shortcut method. So serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It means your total students is n equal to 10. Fine. Now the marks is given. So how much marks is given? 85, 60, 50. 85, 60, 50. Then 75, 55, 40, 55, 70, 45 and 65. Clear? When we are talking about the which method? Direct method. We just find out the sigma x. But this is not a direct method. This is a indirect or we can say shortcut method. So first you just write down the formula shortcut method. Clear? So this is the shortcut method. Just write down the formula of shortcut method. So what is the formula of shortcut method? X bar equal to a plus sigma d upon n. So you just find out. See the formula very carefully. This is the A. What do you mean by the A? A, it is the assumed mean. It means you just assume among this observation, you just assume one figure. Fine. So that is the assumptions. It is called the assuming. Now D. D stand for derivations or we can say deviations. So how can find out the D? So formula of D equal to x minus A. What is the D? D equal to x minus A. So first you just assume the A among this. Listen students, हो सकता है suppose I am assuming A for this. Clear? If you are assuming 55, still your and my answer is remain same. If you are assuming 70 also, still your and my answer is remain same. But keep in your mind when you are assuming A among the data this observation, just be careful कि आपका minus करने का procedure easy हो जाए. So round off. It means if the 0 is there, so minus करने का procedure clear हो जाएगा. And highest to lowest, just find out the value of the highest to lowest. You just find out the, you just assume the A middle value, something like a middle value. It is not necessarily exactly middle value, something like a middle value. So your answer should be in the perfect manner. Fine. So just 85. Now this is your x. Fine. And this is your a. So 85 minus 50. So it is 35. 60 minus 50. It is 10. 50 minus 50. It is 0. 75 minus 50, it's become 25. 55 minus 50, it's become 5. 40 minus 50, it's become minus 10. Listen, आपका d क्या है बेटा? x minus a. If you are doing like this, 40 minus 50, so it's become minus 10, not 10. 55 minus 50, it's become 5. Sorry, plus 5. 70 minus 50, it's become 20. 45 minus 50 is become minus 5. And 65 minus 50, it's become 50. So you got your d with the help of the a. What is the formula of d? D equal to x minus a. So you find out the d. What do you want in the formula? Sum of the d. What do you want? Sum of the d. So you need the sum of the d. So what is the easy method of this? First the total of the plus signature. इन दोनों को exceptional कर दो. इन दोनों को calculate नहीं करना है. Now 35 plus 10 plus 25 plus 5 plus 5 plus 20 plus 15. Then after इन दोनों का total लगाओ, that is the 15. So इन सबको plus करो, then minus वाले को उसमें से minus कर दो. So you got the answer. It is जस्ट द टोटल लगाना है और माइनस वालों का भी टोटल लगाना है. इट मीन्स प्लस का टोटल अलग लगाओगे तो 115 आएगा आपका. इधर जितने भी 35 प्लस 10 प्लस 25 प्लस 5 प्लस 5 प्लस 20 प्लस 15 नाउ, और माइनस का टोटल लगाओगे तो 15 आएगा. तो योर टोटल बिकम्स 100. क्लियर? चलो, this is sigma d. You got the sum of d. Now the put the value in the formula. X bar equal to, what is your a? 50. So 50 plus 100 upon 10 is there, and 10. 0, 0. So 50 plus 10. So x bar equal to 60 marks. See the previous sum. You already done this sum in the previous lecture also with the direct method. तब भी आपका आंसर यही आ रहा था. Now with the help of the shortcut method, answer still remain same. Shortcut क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि ये डेटा है ना जो x है, इसको हमने और शॉर्ट कर दिया. मतलब numbers are decreasing, right? So it is very easy to multiply and addition all these numbers. So it is called the shortcut method. I hope no doubt is there. Just copy it very quickly. Now students, our next method is the step deviation method. Now listen carefully. First, just जब भी कोई सम करो, फर्स्ट राइट डाउन द फॉर्मूला. फाइन. अगर फॉर्मूला लिख दिया है तो आपको पता चलेगा कि आपको कितने कॉलम्स बनाने हैं. सो जस्ट राइट डाउन द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द एक्स बार with the help of the step deviation method. So it is step deviation method. X bar equal to, just write down the formula. X bar equal to a plus sigma d dash upon n into c. Fine. Listen carefully. X bar equal to a plus sigma d dash upon n into c. इसका मतलब यहाँ आपको कौन कौन सी चीजें नहीं दिख रही है. फर्स्ट ऑल a you know, that is a assume. d you all know. X minus a, it's become the d. Now d dash is the new concept in this method, and c also the new concept in this method. Now listen carefully. What do you mean by the c? C it means the common factor. So अब वो common factor का use कहाँ करना है? This students, shortcut method is a पार्ट ऑफ द स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड, मतलब हमने ये शॉर्टकट मेथड का यहाँ तक डी एज्यूम बना रखा है, तो यू जस्ट मेक द वन मोर कॉलम, इट इज कॉल्ड डी डैश. क्लियर? दिस मच इज ऑल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ द स्टेप डेविएशन. स्टेप डेविएशन में अगेन आपको ये लिखना है, मार्क्स लिखने हैं, डी लिखना है, डी फाइंड आउट करना है जैसे करा है. नाउ डी डैश, तो व्हाट इज द डी डैश? तो एक्स सॉरी डी अपॉन सी. So first, what is D? First, what is D? So D, it means this is D, x minus a. Yes. So among this D, you just find C. C, it means the common factor. So what is the common factor? You just find out the data D. D का just observe the data D. D में कौन सा factor है जिसको हम सबसे divide कर सकते हैं? Which number we get the? So 35, 10. So if the digit सबके पीछे 0 and 5 है, it means our common factor will be the 5. So C, it will the 5. You just assume that is your perception, your criteria. So 35 divided by 5, it means 7. 10 divided by 2, 0. 25 divided by 5, 5. 1 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 1 and 3. Listen students, see the carefully. Now your data again composed और छोटा हो गया है. So that is very easy way to find out the calculation. So yes, now you need sigma d dash. You don't need this sigma d. You need sigma d dash. You just write down the, ये पहले इन तीनों को -3 हो जाएगा. Fine. You just calculate all these things and find out the sigma d dash. So your sigma d dash equal to how much? Find out very quickly. 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3. Fine. So it's become the sigma d equal to 20. Fine. Now put the value in the formula. A, it means 50 plus 20 upon 10 into what is your C? C, it is the common factor, it is the 5. So 5 2s are 10, 2, 10. So 50 plus 10, so x bar equal to 60 marks. Now this is the third method, again your answer remain same. Clear? So it is all about the all three method. We can say individual series, direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. Clear? Now we just do the one more sum regarding this method. All these methods, fine. हम individual data लेंगे and we just do this sum with the help of the all these three methods. Now write down the data. Height of the students is given to you, so that is the height. Height, it is the x. Fine. 159, 161, 163. 159, 161, 163. 165, 167. 165, 167. 169, 171. 169, 171 and 173. Sure. Now first you need n, number of n's. You need first sigma x also and d equal to x minus a. Now you need d dash also. So d dash, it means d upon c. Clear? First direct method, you just apply the direct method. So direct method, what is the formula of x bar equal to sigma x upon n? What is the sigma x? Just total it or find out the number of n. So n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's become 8. Fine? Sure. So what is the sigma x? What is the sigma x? So your sigma x will be the 1, 3, 2, 8. Fine. So what is the formula? Sigma x upon n 1328 divided by 8. So it's become x bar equal to 160 centimeter in height. Now shortcut method. So what is the formula of shortcut method? X bar equal to A plus sigma D upon N. So you just assume the A among the data observation given to you. So you just assume A like this. आप दूसरा कोई भी assume करेंगे, answer remains same. No need to take tension. Fine. So 159 minus 167, it's become minus 8. 161 minus 161 minus 167 minus 6, then minus 4, then minus 2, it is 0, and 2, 4 and 6. Just find out the what is sigma D. So sigma D becomes the minus 8. So put the value in the formula. A equal to 167 plus sigma D, it means the minus 8 and 8. So 8 ones are. So 167 minus 1, it's become X bar equal to 166 centimeter. Listen, both answer is remain same. Now the third method, it is called the step deviation method. Step deviation method. For this method, we need the D dash. So what is, see the data of D is very carefully and find out the C. It means what is the common factor. So you can see the common factor, it is the 2 is your common factor. So now divide, C becomes the 2. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. You just divided by the this data. Find 2. So your sigma D dash equal to minus 4. Now X bar equal to A plus sigma D dash upon N into C. So what is your A? A, it is 167. And what is the sigma D dash? It is the minus 4. So you just put the value in the formula. So 2 4s are 4 1s are. So it's become 167 minus 1. So X bar equal to 166 centimeter. Clear, students? It means you just go through all these three methods, answer remains same. Listen, if you are assuming the A 165, still your answer becomes the same. Clear? So this is all about the individual series of the datas, and with the help of the all three methods, shortcut method, direct method and individual and step deviation method. This is the all three, the formula of this is the step deviation, this is the direct formula, and this is about the shortcut method formula. Clear? So I hope you can understand all about this. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.